नमस्कार दोस्तों, today is 9th Feb 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on daily basis in this specific video I review my trades on Nifty and Bank Nifty, share my learning and disclose my trade plan for the next trading session. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So today my trade plan on Nifty was to take a 15-minute breakout. I took an entry on CE side on this particular red bar when it came out of somewhere here at the top and kept a stop loss at the end of this bar. And I immediately got out on the second bar and on the fourth bar was also very thin bar. But again, I took an entry on this green bar and then somehow I lost my focus. I don't know what happened to me and I exited on this particular green bar. So this was a lost trade for me. Uh, After that, I didn't take any trade on Nifty. Then on Bank Nifty, my trade plan was to sell on rise. What a fantastic opportunity I had today. Again, I didn't reach my trading desk at time and I missed this red bar. Although I generally don't take trade on the first 15 minutes, so this was out for me. Then I wanted to buy Bank Nifty here because it took a support on my magical line. If you want to know about what is this magical line, then please check out my video on trade setup. You will find it on my YouTube channel, Trade Plan Nifty. Details on my profile and also end of the video if you are watching this on YouTube. And so I did, but I did not take it. Then it went up. My trade plan was to sell on rise at L4, and exactly on this red bar, I entered on PE position. I kept this green bar as a stop loss and got out on this red bar and then I missed this rally also. So mota again lost day. I lost around 9,000 rupees today. Was a learning. Learning is stay focused, stay disciplined, be in the market from 9 to 3:30 and every 15 minute be ready to take a kill if the opportunity arises. So that's my learning for day. Just get disciplined and be focused. Now let's see what we have in store for tomorrow. So before we get into Nifty, let's try to understand how dollar index is doing. I'm sorry. So when we look into global market, the global markets are almost flat. Singapore Nifty is almost around 20 odd point up. Dollar index is going down from past 3 days. So that's a good sign for emerging market. So mota not much significant information which you can take it out except that dollar is going down, so that's a good sign for emerging market. Now when we look into Nifty on daily basis, what does it say? It has closed above, just above yesterday's, below yesterday's close, but above yesterday's low, above 820 and all the moving average, and definitely in overstretch but in uptrend. On 15-minute chart, Nifty has closed below 20, below 8, below 50. So here Nifty is in downtrend. And important thing to note here is what phase of the market Nifty is. So Lalaji currently is overstretched and is consolidating between 15,000 and 15,300. So one can take a trade on both the direction if they want. So that is what the market is doing now. To define a correct new trend in upside, Nifty has to cross above 15,300 and on downside it has to cross below 15,000. So I'm already carrying a two lot of Nifty 15,100 C with me for tomorrow. And my trade plan for tomorrow is I'll continue my position and somewhere at the top when I see a price reversal I will exit, and then I will again take a trade which will be sell on rise at H3 which is at 15,162, H4 is 15,215 and pivot is at 15,143. Now listen to this carefully. This is a pivot theory. What does pivot theory says? Pivot theory says that if the trend is strong, then it will reverse from its pivot. So it means if the trend on downward side is strong, then market should reverse from 15140 level. So always look out when the market come closer to pivot and see how the market is behaving. If it is going through the pivot to H3 and H4, then it confirms that market isn't consolidating. And if it turns from 15143, then market is going down. Then the trend is downward. So for tomorrow, Nifty trade plan is sell on rise for a target of 15,000, which is L4 for tomorrow. These are all Camarilla pivot points. For Bank Nifty, I'm sorry. For a Bank Nifty, again, if you see from past two trading session or almost three trading session, if you can say, Bank Nifty is playing between 35,600 and 36,600. So 1,000 point area. It has closed positively in strong green bar above 8, above 20 and above 50 bar. So daily basis it is in uptrend. On 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty has closed below 8, below 20 and below 50. So here it is in downtrend. So for tomorrow, again the strategy is to sell on rise. The pivot for tomorrow is 36088. H3 is 36305, which is this rectangle bottom, and 36564. So any rise towards 36635 should be sold with the stop loss above 36635 for a target of 35528, which is L4 for Bank Nifty. So Nifty and Bank Nifty both strategies sell on rise. I hope this discussion has added value to your trading idea and trade setup. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Stay healthy. Jai Hind.